Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P0133, indicates an issue with the air-fuel ratio AF sensor, specifically sensor 1, which is crucial for maintaining the correct air-fuel mixture in the engine. The AF sensor plays a significant role in the performance of the engine by providing real-time data to the powertrain control module, PCM, enabling it to optimize fuel efficiency and emissions. This sensor is typically located before the catalytic converter in the exhaust system, often found on the exhaust manifold or close to the engine block. When the AF sensor begins to malfunction or respond slowly, the PCM detects this irregularity and logs the P0133 code. Addressing this issue promptly is important to prevent further complications, such as decreased engine performance or increased emissions. This guide will provide detailed insight into the causes, symptoms, troubleshooting procedures, and final verification steps necessary to rectify the P0133 code effectively. DTC P0133 indicates a malfunction or slow response from the AF sensor, often referred to as sensor 1. This sensor is integral to the operation of the engine, as it measures the ratio of air to fuel in the mixture being sent to the engine for combustion. Located in the exhaust system before the catalytic converter, the sensor helps the PCM adjust fuel delivery to maintain optimal engine performance and emission standards. If this sensor does not respond adequately during its operation, it sends low responsiveness values to the PCM. The PCM, upon detecting these low values, identifies the situation as abnormal and records the P0133 DTC, highlighting the need for immediate attention. This malfunction can eventually lead to power losses, increased fuel consumption, and higher emissions if left unaddressed. Several possible causes could lead to the triggering of DTC P0133. The primary suspect is a faulty AF sensor 1 itself. Over time, sensors can degrade or fail due to exposure to extreme temperatures, contaminants, or age. Another potential cause could be exhaust leaks. If there are any leaks in the exhaust system before the sensor, it can lead to incorrect readings and a delayed sensor response. Moreover, wiring issues, such as damaged or corroded wires connecting to the AF sensor, can affect the signal sent to the PCM. It's crucial to inspect the entire electrical circuit associated with the sensor to identify any breaks or short circuits. Each of these factors plays a vital role in the sensor's performance, and addressing any issues promptly can restore normal vehicle operation. When DTC P0133 is present, you may notice several symptoms indicative of a malfunctioning AF sensor 1. One prominent symptom is poor engine performance, characterized by sluggish acceleration or unexpected stalling. Drivers may also experience increased fuel consumption, as the PCM cannot optimize the air-fuel mixture effectively without accurate sensor input. Additionally, the check engine light will likely illuminate on the vehicle's dashboard, serving as an initial warning of the problem. Other possible symptoms may include rough idling or fluctuating engine speed, which can disrupt normal vehicle operation. Identifying and addressing these symptoms early can help avoid significant damage and enhance overall driving experience. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0133 involves starting the engine and holding the engine speed at 3,000 revolutions per minute, RPM, without any load, meaning the vehicle should be in park or neutral. This step is crucial as it allows the PCM to assess the AF sensor's performance under specific controlled conditions. The engine speed should remain steady until the radiator fan activates. This activation indicates that the engine has reached a sufficient temperature and is operating within its normal range. Maintaining this engine speed helps the PCM gather crucial data about the AF sensor's activity during operation. The ability of the sensor to respond accurately under these conditions will be fundamental in troubleshooting the fault. Following the initial step, let the engine idle after the radiator fan has come on. Once this happens, the next phase involves test driving the vehicle under specified conditions to assess the A sensor's performance in a real-world scenario. For this, ensure that the engine coolant temperature ECT sensor 1 reading is above 158 degrees Fahrenheit. The vehicle should be in drive, and the engine speed should ideally fluctuate between 1700 and 3000 RPM, simulating a normal operating condition. Furthermore, during the test drive, the vehicle should maintain a steady speed of 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour, or less for 5 minutes, before increasing the speed to at least 26 miles per hour, 41 kilometers per hour, for a minimum of 8 seconds. These conditions facilitate a thorough assessment of how well the AF sensor is responding, ultimately determining whether the fault may be due to sensor dysfunction. The final troubleshooting step is to monitor the Honda Diagnostic System HDS for DTC P0133 post-test drive. The HDS provides comprehensive data on the vehicle's onboard diagnostics, including the status of the AF sensor and other critical engine parameters. At this stage, you'll want to check the onboard diagnostics OBD status concerning the PGM-FI system to see if the code remains active or if there are any other related codes that need attention. If the P0133 code remains, this could indicate that the AF sensor is indeed malfunctioning and replacement might be necessary. Conversely, if the code is cleared, it suggests the potential issue may have been temporary or resolved during your troubleshooting process. These data-driven insights are essential for determining the next steps in repairs and ensuring that the vehicle operates within parameters. After completing the replacement or repairs associated with DTC P0133, it is vital to perform a final verification to ensure that all issues have been effectively resolved. First, clear the DTC from the PCM using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS tool. Next, conduct another test drive under similar conditions as outlined in the previous troubleshooting steps. This test drive will help confirm that the repairs have fixed the underlying problem and that no additional DTCs have been triggered. It's important to monitor the performance of the AF sensor once again during this process and look for any signs of improper functioning. This thorough approach helps guarantee that the vehicle is back to optimal operating conditions and prevents the recurrence of the DTC. Preventive maintenance is crucial for ensuring that issues like DTC P0133 do not recur. One essential step is to regularly inspect the AF sensors to confirm they are functioning correctly and free of contaminants. Keeping the exhaust system intact and free from leaks is equally important, as even small leaks can affect sensor readings significantly. Additionally, ensuring that wiring and connectors to the AF sensor are in good condition will help maintain signal integrity and prevent electrical faults. Routine checks during maintenance can catch potential problems early, allowing for timely interventions. Adopting these proactive measures can extend the lifespan of the AF sensors and optimize overall engine performance and efficiency. In conclusion, DTC P0133 points to a malfunction or slow response from the AF sensor 1, crucial for maintaining optimal air-fuel mixtures in Honda Accord models from 2023 onwards. Addressing this issue promptly is essential for the vehicle's performance and longevity. The troubleshooting steps involve inspecting the sensor, checking for exhaust leaks, understanding the possible symptoms, and using the HDS for diagnostic confirmation. Once repairs are completed, ensuring that the code is cleared and conducting a test drive is critical for final verification. Finally, investing in preventive maintenance strategies can help prevent such DTCs from reappearing in the future. Remember, a well-maintained vehicle not only performs better, but is also more efficient and environmentally friendly. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.